So we're gonna make shakshuka pancakes for breakfast today.
Ooh.
So I put a little bit of oil in the pan. I've made a little bit of garlic and chili. Turn it on. And then, wait, that doesn't belong. And then I'm gonna put this inside. I'm gonna get
What's
this
next?
little stirring ladle. I'm gonna ladle it just to mix it up all in the oily goodnesses. And then obviously we always have a lot of kimchi. I just got some radish cakes. We've got these very nice big mushrooms that I'm gonna do with feta cheese later, and a nice cider for the afternoon. And yeah, a very good kimchi. This is definitely our favorite kimchi. And a little bit of butternut, eggs, the regular. This is how eggplants look in Asia.
Whoa.
Yeah, not your usual kind of eggplant. Very long. Okay. So I will now slice it. Look at this. It looks like it's kind of twirled around on itself. Which is interesting. Hey, and Ilana, if you're watching this video, tell me if I'm doing anything wrong with the shakshuka, because, you know, I haven't had any formal training, but this is sort of my interpretation. So I just we have a very nice little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So just to kind of keep them loose. And then my little secret trick is to put, this is kind of like a Chinese balsamic vinegar. So I kind of put this in and I sort of marinate these eggplants.
This is one spice rack here,
Oh yes.
and more things of such nature here.
So this gets a couple of rounds of balsamic vinegar and turning and roasting. So I'll show you the next part when it's ready. Okay, so we found a piece of onion.
Yes, I need to chop
Tiny
this
piece. Just right. He's chopping it.
Okay.
Looking good.
I saved this onion for like sandwich, but that's okay. What about these mushrooms?
Yes, the mushrooms will go in as well. We realized there might not be enough eggplant for what we usually do, so we're trying to like problem solve by adding in some onions and some mushrooms to beef it up
Very
a little bit.
professional cooking video.
Oh yes. Hey man, life is all about problem solving. There he goes. He puts it in.
Zoom in
He
here.
puts it in the basket. Ooh, see, they're looking all like crispy. I think it's time for another shot of the balsamic vinegar. Yes.
Tofu as well.
Tofu, a little bit of peppers. Yeah.
Seasoning
This is the
time.
point of the cook where you do a little seasoning. We're going to add a little bit of pepper. And then we have this very fancy, which I decided to show off, black garlic salt. Have you ever heard of something so fantastic? So it's going in.
Tomato time.
Okay. So usually I like to use a mixture of the big ones and the little ones. Variety is the spice of life. So
Spice is also the spice of life.
it is true. So I'll slice this up. Okay.
Little ones.
Here are the tomatoes going in.
Get in there.
Ooh, see now it's like all sizzling, getting together. And you can add a little bit of water. And don't forget, as Paris Hilton said in her cooking video, stay hydrated. So a little bit more water. What this is called when you add water into the pan to get all of the sticky stuff off. It's called deglazing. Just in case anyone wants to know. So we learned this recipe from a friend of ours in Shenzhen who is from Israel, a really cool guy called Adam.
Thanks, Adam.
Thanks, Adam. So he invited us to his house and he made us the most amazing shakshuka breakfast. So this is kind of inspired by him, and I'm still trying to like recreate that amazing moment. But he will have to be the judge of this. And then also this robe. Unfortunately, I might not be able to see everybody in the summer, but when I went to Thailand, I got myself one, Kirsten has one, and Mom and Megan, yours are on the way. You'll have to wait and see what your colors are. So, something to look forward to. Okay, so the mixture should be looking a little bit like this. I think we're ready for the eggs. So, Ray, how many eggs do you want?
I would like 2 eggs.
Oh, 2 eggs. Brave choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this heat down a little bit. I'm going to make myself a little hole. And then I'm going to put the egg inside the hole. So that's one. And then I'm going to make myself a little hole over here. There you go. I'm going to put this egg inside this hole. And let's put number 3 down here. This will be mine. Snuggy wuggy little hole. Sorry, we've got washing on in the background, so I hope it's not disturbing.
Okay.
But you know, Sundays. Check our eggs. So they're sizzling away, but they get to a point where you kind of need to flip them. There you go. And flip. I'm going in for number 3. Flip. Okay. Introducing the Oriental plain pancake. It is plain. It is Oriental. It is a pancake. So if we open it, it comes.
That one's kind of bent.
Yeah, this one's a little bent. Whatever. So they're cool because they come in like individually separated layers. And they're very delicious. You can see how they look. Okay, wait. So one. Choose 2 nice ones. That's 2. And I'll take this guy. No, I'll take this guy. Okay. So you got 3 pancakes. And they're going to go into the oven. And then here's our tiny little Avo guy. So we're going to cut him and see if he's ready. Oh,
so perfect. They always come with a
perfect.
wooden ball every time.
Yeah.
The same
so
toy.
let's go check out our eggs. It's a good one. So I'm going to flip them back and see how they're doing. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Ooh, that looks very nice. Okay, I'm quite happy with that actually. So now I'm going to put these green vegetables on top. Just to sprinkle it around. So
Time to flip
nice.
the pancakes.
Flipping the pancakes. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
Oops.
Not so bad.
Okay, flipping.
They're like a little crispy, but also soft.
This is where our oven glove goes. And it's right next to my little strawberry apron, which I'm not wearing, which makes no sense. But so these are looking fabulous. I'm giving it the last flip around. I couldn't give you a time of like minutes, but I mean 5 to 10 minutes for the eggs I think is pretty good. Okay, then we have this extra thing which is extra cheese, cheesy flavored cheese, and then we sprinkle this over it. Oops, this comes out sometimes.
I believe you're not supposed to eat this according to the instructions.
Yeah. Many have tried and failed.
Yeah, no, do not try this at home.
Yeah. Okay, so we put a little bit of that cheese around. Alrighty, so Ray's getting the pancakes out. He's gonna make me one. So he's gonna put a pancake down. Looking good. He's chosen this little egg for me. He's gonna put it on the pancake. Okay. And then, where's the little avos gone?
Right here.
Oh. Okay, so then we got a little avo.
Okay. Ta-da! Amazing shakshuka kind of breakfast burrito wraps. I love it. Yay! Yay!